Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 31st, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle. The 3-star Sudoku, yeah. And 3 puzzles are left. The binary, tectonic with 4 stars, and this one, yes, this one is a 4-star Sudoku number 6842. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, or a lot of hidden numbers. They will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright. 2 twos, no, 3 twos, 2 threes, 1 4, 3 4 fives. Alright. 1 6, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 4 nines. Well, so the ones, the fives, and the nines are in majority. Can I start with the ones? Yeah, 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1, okay. 1 1 1, 1 1 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. How about the 5s? Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 5. 5. Okay. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 5. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the 5. How about the 9s then? 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 9, 9 9, and 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 9 9, okay. 9 9 9 9. Okay, you need to find another number. 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 1. Still the 1 there. 1 1 1. Okay. Okay. 7. 2 2 2 2. Need a 2 here. 2 2 2 2. Need a 2 here. Need an 8 here. 8 8. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes here, and 8 in this row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this column. No 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and 8 in this row. No 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Okay. Now I can continue with the 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see how 5 the last row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see how 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5, okay. 4, 6. Yeah. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in the second column, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row. For the number, oh wait, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. Here, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. You have 7 here. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 9 here. And need a 2 here. 2, 8, 4. Well, 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number in the third row is number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. Here, and 8 in this column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. So the 2 and the 4 are left in the third row. The 2 and the 4, yeah, 1, 2 is missing. 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. We have 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 7. Well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left. The 7 is missing here. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6 is missing, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 6 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Then, need a 6 here. 6, 6. Do we have all the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Yes, digit number 2, number 7. How about 8? No. 8, 8. 2, 4, and then 9. No 2, 2. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9. Let me mark those. Alright. Need a 9 here. Need a 4, 6, and need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 1. Okay. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left. Oh, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes. And they are finished in 13 minutes. Wow, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Cannot believe this. Yeah, I need more minutes to solve than this 4 stars. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and a sectional link. Until then, bye-bye for now.